Hi guys, Coach Sheridan here from Wayne Trails Gym. And today we're going to talk about some things you can do at home with a basketball indoors as long as you have permission from your parents. First thing we're going to do is what we call body circles, where we just move the ball around different parts of our bodies. And we want to move them as quick as we can and in both directions. And the key is keeping the ball away from your body and moving in both directions. The second thing we have is what we call super catches. And you get better at this by challenging yourself by throwing the ball higher in the air. But to start off with, you just want to throw it over your head and catch it behind your back, and we call that a super catch. The next thing we do is our figure eight routine. We start off without the dribble. So we move the ball through our knees. We can alternate directions. Then the next thing, we add the dribble. We can change directions. So you want to go both forwards and backwards with your directions. Now we go 3x3s. 3 dribbles right hand, move the ball over to your left hand, 3 hard dribbles. The key here is you want to pound the basketball when you dribble it. We start off with 3x3s crossovers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After you've done that for a couple more seconds, we go 3x3s between the legs dribble. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we end this with our 3x3s behind the back. 1, 2, 3, behind the back. 1, 2, 3, behind the back. So 3 dribbles, a different method to get the ball from the right side to the left side, and 3 more hard dribbles. And that's our one basketball routine. In our next video, I want to show you a workout you can do at home using 2 basketballs, which is much more difficult. So after you master these skills, you might want to try the 2 basketball routine. Thanks, guys.